So we got 2-speed timer. Obviously, that one's not spinning because it's about 9 o'clock. It is 9 o'clock in the morning. Well, 10 o'clock. I don't fucking know. But it ain't 8 p.m. Manually turns on. That kicks it down to low speed, high speed, and then back off. This one's not rotating, so it's not turning on and off. The wiring's fun. This is a regular T104 mechanism. This one's a special one. After the cover's off, you got regular 240 from your breaker coming up into this one. You got 240 going on line and line. You got 2 loads coming over. One is going to go down to the motor. The other is going, so you got 2 coming to the motor, and then 1 comes over. This jumps over to this to power over here to control your low and high speed. So this can turn on and off. That one is the main on. So that one kicks down to low, and that one can shut everything off. But you have to make sure it's wired, so this just comes over and swaps between low and high. So this is your second line load. The first line goes all the way down to the pump down here. It had its own timer, but these things fucking suck. So on this one, it's got 2 extra wires. These 2 red wires, we're going to go ahead and disconnect because it went over to this ozonator, which is no longer hooked up or being used. So that's just a waste. Okay, so now with it out of the way, you can see this timer, its electrical motor hooks up over here to the 2 line terminals. You have line 1 coming in and line 2 coming into this tube. And then you have line 1 coming down to the motor. Line 2 comes directly over here. This is going to control high and low speed when this gets flipped over. All this does is run one line of 120 voltage over to this timer, and it swaps it in between. Kind of like a relay, but it's a mechanical relay. But this one died, so we're going to replace it. So on these 2, you want to pull these screws out all the way like we did, because you can't just loosen it. And then up in the top, there's a little lever you push. Right there. That just pops right out. Shut your breaker off too. Alright, so back in. Line 2 going over to high-low.